let's talk about this. This is your windshield cover. This is good for privacy. Take it out of the bag. And it goes on the outside of the RV. And you want this silver side facing out to absorb the sunlight and all the heat to keep it nice and cool in there. You'll notice there's these little pockets here. They're gonna go in the corner of the door. And then these Velcro strips right here are gonna go under that mirror there. So let's see if we can put this on one guy. Go over that antenna, over the mirror, just like that. Let's go to the other side. Now this is just how I do it. If you want to do it a different way, okay, as long as it all goes on. Okay, just get it nice and spread out there. Pull that out. So open the door just a little bit here. Just take this, tuck that pocket right there, just like that. And then you'll notice there's little magnets in here. Stick right there to the door. It's pretty awesome. When you shut the door, keep this away because it likes to get jammed in the door and it doesn't want to go all the way around. And then we're going to come to the other side. Pull it tight. Open this door. Send it right there across that. Like that. Put the magnet down. Pull her out a little bit. And now we're just going to cinch her down. So this will help so the wind doesn't take it in the middle of the night. And then you want to make sure that the windshield wipers are over the top. Sure. Close any gaps in there. And then cinch her down right here. And there you have it. Your privacy and windshield cover is installed.